Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how you can log in to web trader platform on forex.com. So let's just get started. I'll be guiding you guys. So firstly what you're going to do is just go to your any web browser and just type forex or forex.com like this. Then you'll be on this platform. So over here, this is the first link which says trading online forex trading online, which you'll be going through. So you can even use this like the that says login. So you can go over here or you can go over here. So it's easy for you to choose this login option. So just go over there, and then you'll be in this platform which is login platform. So over here you have options like MetaTrader account or my account or web trading account. So in this particular video we are going to use web trader platform. So just go to web trading one, and then you can have the username and then the password, and you can use remember me for your further use in the future. Just take this, I'm not a robot, and just log into your account. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also comment if you have any queries with us. So I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.